Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cicade, and right now, in a couple videos or a video ago, I said I was playing games that I actually wasn't recording. Ooh, what's that? Yeah, I've been playing games that I haven't been recording, and I was wondering if it was cool if I could record them. So right now, I'm just gonna start recording them, just because for no one gets used to like the same Pixelgon 3D Battlelands Royale everything. Yesterday was fine with the other video. I'm gonna make another video tonight. I'm not sure what it's gonna be on. It might be on Super Cats. It might be on anything. But you guys can tell. Yes, I've played this game a lot. Not even a little bit. I've played this game a lot. I'm currently level 12. So if you guys didn't know, this game is still on early access, okay? So pretty much what it is you start off with Agent C right here. I have him level 3. Oh, and I just unlocked CT for him too. Well, I have level 3. You can unlock guns every single time. Like you unlock the first weapon for every single person at level 3. What I can tell you right now is my best characters I have right now is this one. I don't use these characters, no. This one right here. She's really good at a lot of things, just And then this one, my best character right here. He's got me everything. He is amazing. It's my favorite character out of all. Okay, guys, let me stop talking and let's get into a game. Okay, guys, so right now we are looking for a battle. I am currently playing Battle Royale version of this. Yes, there's the Battle Royale version of this. It's honestly kind of weird. So you pick up these little blue looking like health or something. I'm not sure. It gives you health and it gives you a little bit more damage per, like, whatever you're using per throw or per shot. These little things right here, as you can tell, all over the place. Most likely someone's going to come over and stop me from getting both these. Okay, so pretty much what you do... Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Okay, so as you can tell, you get more health. Oh, sorry, I've been talking. I'm trying to concentrate right now. Now, you have special abilities like that by hitting people, or by killing, or by eliminating, I guess you could say, people. And that's on every game mode. And I'm probably gonna... No. It's too early. Got him. Okay, guys, I just got number 1. Pretty good game, if you ask me. And I just got into the Gold 3 League. That's really good. Oh, darn. Not close to level 13, though. Guys, I can unlock a silver chest now. That's really cool. These give you great things. Like that right there. I just got this Reggie. I got Reggie, my favorite character, to level 3 now. Now, at level 3, like I said, you unlock new stuff. So I unlocked the Thunderbomb, which is more health. More damage. So who doesn't want more damage? So let's go on over and see how much it is. 500, I can do that. So guys, now I got the Thunder Bomb. It's a little bit better than the normal bomb, but if it's better, it helps me out, so I'm gonna use it. Let's go on over and for my league, I get 100 coins, which is cool. Okay, growth. Like I said, I haven't leveled up yet, so I don't get to have any, you don't get to have any reward when you get a reward when you level up, which is really cool if you ask me. So I'm really looking forward to leveling up again, because I'm pretty sure it either gives you 100 coins. Sorry, something keeps falling over here. It either gives you 100 coins or a 100 keys. Keys are for silver chests, and silver chests are great, so they unlock more. They lock characters and lock character pieces for leveling up, which is really cool. So right now we got Agent C and what's that was a horrible start for us. And I didn't get that elimination. Thought he would walk closer, darn it. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can. Got one. Oh, he just got. Hey guys, so this game goes by stars. If you look above their names, usually have 2 stars, but every single elimination, if a person hasn't got a kill, actually, I'm gonna start off with this. Every single kill gets you a star. And once you get a star, that's more points for your team. But if someone else kills you and you have like more than 2 or 3 stars, they get that many stars. So if you have 5 stars, you don't want to just go out in the open and try to die. Darn it, they're not spawn. Jason got him. The mechanic's really good, as you can tell. Darn it. And the rugby person is really good too. Oh shoot. Get him. Darn it. Okay, let's get the rugby before he leaves. Darn it, he's going to heal up. And guys, if you guys get low on health in this game, you can run back to where your spawn is, which is right here where I am. Well, on either side that you spawn, and it's not always on the side that I'm on, but, yeah, and you can get health from it, just standing in it. You can't be moving, I'm pretty sure. And that helps out a lot. And darn it, eliminated. Okay guys, looks like we're not gonna get a win this game, which is unfortunate, but you can't win every game. Darn. Try to get him. Oh, you landed right on my Mega Bomb too. And guys, if you guys do get defeated and you're not like an MVP or something, then you do lose trophies. Not trophies, lose league points. Right now, I want to see if I can try. There we go. I forgot to equip them. That's why I didn't have them. I want to try out him. I always see a lot of people using him. Okay, 15 more and we'll have a second unlock. And I keep dropping this thing over here. Okay, so I think I'm going to show you guys what gem craft is. It's probably one of my favorite modes. There's only 3 modes, true, but it's one of my favorite one of my favorite modes. It's one of my favorite modes. It goes Battle Royale, Gemcraft, and then the normal mode. Normal mode just is like, it's so common, like, it's not bad, it's just that Gemcraft is a little bit more funner. Cause see if you can hide in the middle like that. It's really fun. You can get like, I've only won a couple of these games, so don't hate on me if I do bad. Got him. My teammate needs to get out the spawn there. Getting a little bit too close for comfort. Thought the tiger was coming closer than that, sorry. Right now, me and my teammate here are stacking probably the most gems, so I'm going to try not to die. Looks like we're going to win this one, guys. Great game. Stay alive, Edward. Oh, I almost died there. But guys, looks like we won that game. Let's see who was MVP. Got what? Darn, thought I was gonna get more XP. And it looks like I was MVP. I was guessing that a little bit because I was the one carrying the most gems. And I wasn't the one killing the most people. Edward did a really good job at that, and my other teammate. So yeah, thanks to them, we probably won that game. And I could stay alive, and I could just keep collecting gems, and they could keep eliminating everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna try. What should I do? I think I'm just gonna do bounty right now because I want to test out this dude right here. I haven't tried him before. He's one of your first unlocks in the game, which is really cool. You can start using him. Well, for me at least it was. I'm not sure how the unlocking system is if everyone gets the same unlocks and everything. There he is right there. And there's my other cool opponent throwing a bomb. I mean cool opponent, our cool teammate. Okay, looks like we have the I'm not sure if it's apprentice or magician. Wow, this guy does a lot of damage. Shoot, they got all my stars. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can head in. Teammate, heal up real quick. Okay. Ooh, I got him. The girl that's like walking normal throwing hearts at me right now is the one that drops all the glitter. For the most part, this guy's really good. Kind of like my bomber better though, but yeah. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Do a real quick one on right now. Shoot. Come on after me. Okay. So guys, looks like this is going to be my last game. I'm probably going to be playing the game tonight. I had to go for a while, so I wasn't doing much or earlier after the last video. So I'm gonna see if I can stun it. Get her! Get her! That gorilla! I just missed every single shot, and I'm dead. Ooh, the ape almost killed me. Down. Doesn't look like I can do damage with the I'm not sure if that's because I'm like horribly bad at aiming or something, but I want that rock launcher guy. Now that's a good character. Got her a little bit, and darn. Well, because we lost that game, guys. I got a victory. We got a pretty good victory in Battle Royale today, at least. So we are here for something, showing them what we got. It looks like I was MVP that game. It's pretty good. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys either a little bit later in today or at some time. But that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. And yeah, peace.